And so here is the final finished product. It's a Jorgensen bar clamp that I had already. As you saw, I drilled out the rivet, made the adapter, machined the pieces down to fit, and it uses the same nuts as the rest of the components that came with my welding table. This is a Klutch from Northern Tool Company, which is basically the same as the Harbor Freight welding table, which is okay, but it does require nuts on the accessories. It just doesn't have the depth to rely on the side load. So yeah, so this gives me quite a bit of height now that I can use. I'm making some brackets that I needed to be able to clamp down to the table, and this allows me to do that. Anyway, quick little short thing. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention the adapter. The reason I did it like I did is because I plan on buying a new welding table, one of the better ones, thicker, and I want to be able to reuse this clamp either by making a new adapter for the new welding table or by putting the original head back on it. And this way, because I can just put a screw through it, I can do that. If I welded it on there, then it would be a little bit more permanent. So anyway, that's why I did it the way I did it. Thanks. Catch you later.